In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital signature in Zoho Invoice. Adding a digital signature to your invoice PDFs makes your documents look polished, consistent, and trustworthy. Before we begin, make sure you have your signature saved as a PNG file. Ideally on a transparent background so it blends neatly with the template. A clean, high-contrast image, without extra margins works best. Start by opening Zoho Invoice and head to your dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. Click it and choose Customization. If your layout looks a little different, you can also scroll the Settings panel to find PDF templates. Both paths lead to the same place, so pick whichever is visible in your account. If you don't see these options, you may need the right permissions from your organization's admin. Next, select PDF templates, then choose Invoices. Zoho separates templates by module, so make sure you are in the section specifically for invoices, not estimates or other documents. You'll see a list of available invoice templates. Hover your mouse over the template you use and click Edit. It's important to edit the template you actually send to customers so your changes show up where you expect. Inside the template editor, navigate to the section labeled Other Details. Scroll down until you see the signature option. Check the signature box to enable it. This tells Zoho Invoice to include a signature block on your invoice PDF. Now upload your signature image. Click to add your PNG file and give it a clear signature name. This name usually appears alongside or beneath the signature. So consider using the authorized signatory's name and, if appropriate, their title. For best results, use a PNG with a transparent background and a size that's sharp but not oversized. A width in the mid-hundreds to about 1,000 pixels typically prints cleanly without bloating your file. If your signature looks too light or dark, adjust the source image and re-upload until it matches your brand. When you are satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. Saving locks in the signature setting for that template. From now on, any invoice generated as a PDF using this template will include your digital signature automatically, helping you maintain a professional, consistent look across all your billing documents. That's it. Thanks for watching.